Hello, you're speaking with Quashana, and today we are going to be doing a little bedroom reset. I needed to get some clothes put up that I had in a basket. We all do it. They sit in there for like weeks. Maybe not weeks, maybe a couple weeks. I don't know. However long you let your clothes sit in the basket. Here's some motivation to get it out the basket. Just get it done. That's all you need to do. Start folding. I do love my mattress vacuum, and my goal is to use it at least twice a month or more. Yes, look at this dust I collect. Definitely a must for me. So right here, this is what I'm gathering. It's like little balls of lint, I guess. So over here is my little corner, and I wanted to do a little extra clean over here because I needed to pull out this end table, and I wanted to dust the baseboards behind here. Well needed, yes it did. And I'm trying to figure out something different I could do in this corner to make it more relaxing for myself. I want to say thanks for tuning in. Hope this motivates you to get those little dirty corners cleaned up and, just make your area comfortable. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks so much for watching. For more of this type of motivation, a clean home, you can like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.